Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Tesla Cybertruck in Minecraft. First, find a spacious, flat area in your Minecraft world. We will use gray concrete blocks for the main body of our truck. Begin by laying out a base that is 5 blocks wide and 17 blocks long. Remember to leave a 2-block gap on each side for where the wheels will eventually go. This forms the sturdy foundation for your awesome vehicle. Now, let's add the wheels and start on the cabin. Use black concrete blocks to fill in those 2-block gaps you left on each side. These will be your sturdy wheels. Next, build up the side walls of your truck using gray concrete, making them 3 blocks high. For the front windshield, place gray glass panes to give it that iconic Cybertruck look. This structure will form the main passenger area, giving it a realistic and impressive scale. The Cybertruck's distinctive sloped roof is next. Starting from the front of your cabin, use gray concrete slabs to create that gradual, iconic incline. Extend this slope all the way towards the back of the truck, covering what would be the bed area. Take your time to ensure the slope is smooth and consistent, giving your Minecraft Cybertruck its unmistakable futuristic silhouette. This detail truly brings the design to life. Finally, let's add some finishing touches to make your Cybertruck perfect. For the headlights and taillights, place redstone lamps at the front and back. Use iron trapdoors on the bed area to simulate a retractable cover. Small buttons on the black concrete wheels will serve as hubcap details, adding a nice touch. You can even add a simple interior with a lever for steering, making your Minecraft Cybertruck ready for any adventure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.